Hi there. This video is to guide you how to add fund and withdraw fund. So to add fund, you can go to the fund and click on add fund. It will open up this pop-up. You add the amount that you wish to add, and you can choose the account type from where you want to add. You can select the UPI or net banking. UPI is free, net banking will come with charges, rupees 9 plus GST. Then click on continue. So you'll get a pop-up in your phone pay or wherever you linked in the UPI. Add that amount. Yep, and you will get a message. Fund is added. Now close this, and you can see it was 25, and now it 1000 got added here, so it's now showing 26. Here also you'll see one message on the top: 1000 was added to your Zerodha account from bank by UPI on 8 December 25. And how to withdraw? Same, go to the fund. You can close this message, go to the fund, click on withdraw. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw from here. uh, Either you can set a regular or instant. I'll select instant and then click on continue. Okay, it will show you the bank you already added to your account. Click on continue and withdraw request placed. You can see here. You can go back to your bank account and you can check. um, it will take few minutes to get updated, but your request is placed, so you don't have to worry about it will come. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.